hold me brother, me there. Hey, informer call me name, Jah know the boy them sell me out. B-U-S-Y, so the boy them spell me out. They on a flight from Amsterdam and them carrel me out. Inna the immigration line, me hear the boy them yell me out. Say me nah got jail again, but still the boy them jail me out. Some link with KD night and I try see if him can bail me out. Them man they a star boy, so you know so the dad's not fail me out. Him tell me to waive my rights and then the US hear me out. Hey, I'm gun court to GP, me no empty no pale. Prisoners respect the artists, so me give them yell. Big up all who support and did a pray for me because them know me believe in a God will never fail.
The mystery became the history. Jah bless me, him never left me. Me always praise the Almighty. You would not left out the Almighty. Cause everything you do, Father God see. Enough of them out the road sentence me, but you would not left out the Almighty.
Attend, say
Go and praise the Almighty.
private jet, go up a foreign. With certain things me nah go cope a foreign. Vegetarian, I yard me no them no pork a foreign. About twice me drop down in the cola foreign. True like a protein, me black out and a roll a foreign. The prison water make me ear could grow a foreign. Watch yourself, me no chat to who me no know a foreign. But then again, some people where you know of them, same one set you up, them hate it when you a win. Me liar bill beg for leniency in the court of foreign. Him fly go yard do some research and then him go up a foreign. Present the facts visually to the court of foreign. Nothing but the truth to help me God me take a oath of foreign. All rise, I'm facing federal charge, DNA, fingerprint, I'm not convicted federal charge. The prosecutor talk, me talk, me liar talk, and then the judge says 6 months and now me back in a me yard.
The mystery became the history. Jah bless me, him never left me. Me always praise the Almighty. You would not left out the Almighty. Cause everything you do, Father God see. Enough of them out the road sentence me, but you would not left out the Almighty.
Attend, say
Go and praise the Almighty. The mystery, history. Me always praise the Almighty. Cause everything you do, Father God see.
Informer call me name, Jah know the boy them sell me out. B-U-S-Y, so the boy them spell me out. They on a flight from Amsterdam and them carrel me out. Inna the immigration line, me hear the boy them yell me out. Say me nah got jail again, but still the boy them jail me out. Some link with KD night and I try see if him can bail me out. Them man they a star boy, so you know so the dad's not fail me out. Him tell me to waive my rights and then the US hear me out. Hey, I'm gun court to GP, me no empty no pale. Prisoners respect the artists, so me give them yell. Big up all who support and did a pray for me because them know me believe in a God will never fail.
The mystery became the history. Jah bless me, him never left me. Me always praise the Almighty. You would not left out the Almighty. Cause everything you do, Father God see. Enough of them out the road sentence me, but you would not left out the Almighty.
Attend, say
Go and praise the Almighty.
private jet, go up a foreign. With certain things me nah go cope a foreign. Vegetarian, I yard me no them no pork a foreign. About twice me drop down in the cola foreign. True like a protein, me black out and a roll a foreign. The prison water make me ear could grow a foreign. Watch yourself, me no chat to who me no know a foreign. But then again, some people where you know of them, same one set you up, them hate it when you a win. Me liar bill beg for leniency in the court of foreign. Him fly go yard do some research and then him go up a foreign. Present the facts visually to the court of foreign. Nothing but the truth to help me God me take a oath of foreign. All rise, I'm facing federal charge, DNA, fingerprint, I'm not convicted federal charge. The prosecutor talk, me talk, me liar talk, and then the judge says 6 months and now me back in a me yard.
The mystery became the history. Jah bless me, him never left me.